everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making the perfect chocolate cake. So if you're looking for a birthday cake recipe or any cake for any occasion, this cake is what you need to try. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to share this recipe with you because I've taken some time and done a little research and found my personal favorite chocolate cake and favorite buttercream. And this has been the trial has been going on for a while, and I wanted to make sure that when I did this video, it would actually be it would satisfy every requirement of a chocolate cake. So this is so moist, it's delicate, it's not dense, it's not dry at all, and it's also not too sweet. So you're not gonna get that little feeling, tingly feeling in the back of your throat because it's so packed with sugar. And the buttercream is so light and creamy, and it's perfect for any occasion. You could also turn this into chocolate cupcakes if you want. Just so perfect. If you need to try this, please try it. For my sake, try it. Let's get started. So first you want to place 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 1/3 of a cup of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt in a large bowl and mix together. Add 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and mix with an electric mixer until combined. Slowly add 1 cup of boiling water and mix until well combined. Then you want to grease and flour 4 6-inch round cake pans. You can use cocoa powder instead of flour to coat the pans. And what it's going to do is, after you coat a pan with flour and you bake it, it has a little white cast to it. When you're making chocolate cake, you can use cocoa powder instead of flour, so that when you turn the cake out, it doesn't have that white cast, which is a lot more obvious because it's a chocolate cake and it's darker. So using cocoa powder, as you see when you turn it out, it just looks nice and rich and chocolatey. So baking hacks are into the recipe. So you want to divide the batter evenly between the pans and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a skewer inserted into the centers comes out clean. Cool for 15 minutes in the pan, then turn them out onto a wire rack and cool completely. So to make the most delicious buttercream you will ever try, you want to beat 2 cups of butter with an electric mixer until it's pale and fluffy. And when you're beating the butter, you don't want to just beat it until it loses its little rectangular shape. You want to actually beat it for 2 to 3 minutes. The noise, if you hear the noise, that's Paddington because he knows I'm filming, so he's obligated to make noise. But anyways, you want to beat the butter until it's nice and light and airy. So don't just beat it until it's not a little cube or rectangular shape anymore. Actually beat it until it looks a lot lighter and fluffy. Then add 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract and 1/2 cup milk and mix well. Add 4 cups of confectioner sugar and 1½ cups of cocoa powder, 1 cup at a time, beating with each addition. And so once the confectioner sugar and the cocoa powder are incorporated, keep beating the mixture or the buttercream for maybe 2 to 3 minutes until it looks significantly airier. And this is going to make it nice and fluffy, and it won't be dense, and it tastes good. Then to assemble your delicious chocolate cake, you want to slice the tops and bottoms off the cake to smooth the surface and remove any excess browning. Then stack the cakes and spread some buttercream between each layer. Coat the cake in a thin layer of buttercream called a crumb coat, and this is going to catch any excess crumbs, and it's going to prevent the crumbs from showing through on the outside layer. Then chill the cake in the fridge for 20 minutes. Then coat the cake in a thick, generous layer of buttercream, and then pop the remaining buttercream into a piping bag fitted with a large star-shaped piping tip. Pipe little dollops of buttercream on the top of the cake just to look pretty, and you are done! So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. If you'd like to see some more recipes, make sure to subscribe and ring that little notification bell next to the subscribe button so that you are notified when my next recipe comes up, because I upload every day from Monday to Friday. So there are so many recipes coming for you guys. And if you're looking for a recipe that I haven't made before, make sure to leave them in the comment section below, because now that I'm uploading so often, I need some more recipe ideas, and I would love it. I would love to be able to make something that you guys specifically want. So definitely let me know, and I will see you guys tomorrow for an all new video. So Fridays we don't do, it's a break from recipes, so Friday is a non-recipe video, and I'm going to be doing a new puppy haul. I'm getting a new Pomeranian, so a little sister for Paddington, and she's coming really soon, in the next couple weeks. So I had to rush and order a ton of stuff on Amazon, so I thought I'd do a little haul for you to prepare everybody for the new member of our family. I'm so excited, and yeah, we're gonna have so much fun. So anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow.